Have you ever seen ads claiming that you can make money in just a few minutes with Olymp Trade? Maybe you've watched videos where people say they turned a small investment into hundreds or even thousands of dollars in a single day. It sounds exciting. But here's the real question. Is Olymp Trade actually real? Or is it just another online trading platform that could put your money at risk? In this video, we're going beyond the marketing promises to uncover the facts. We'll explain how Olymp Trade works, whether it's legal in different countries, why financial experts warn about it, the most common complaints from real users, and whether it's a good choice for beginners. By the end of this video, you'll have a much clearer picture of whether Olymp Trade deserves your trust. Let's get started. What exactly is Olymp Trade? First, let's answer the biggest question. Yes, Olymp Trade is a real online trading platform. It isn't a fake website. It has a working mobile app. Millions of users have downloaded it. People create accounts, deposit money, place trades, and in many cases, withdraw funds successfully. So if you're asking whether the platform physically exists, the answer is absolutely yes. However, being a real platform doesn't automatically mean it's a safe place to invest your money. Those are two completely different questions. Think about it like this. A casino is a real business. People can win money there, but that doesn't mean it's a safe investment. The same logic applies here. Is Olymp Trade a stockbroker? This is one of the biggest misunderstandings. Many beginners believe they're investing in stocks, currencies, or gold. In reality, Olymp Trade doesn't work like a traditional stockbroker. When you buy shares through a regulated broker, you actually own the investment. Your money goes into purchasing an asset. Over time, that asset may increase in value. With Olymp Trade, that's generally not what happens. Instead, you're predicting whether the price of an asset will move up or down over a very short period of time. You're not becoming an investor. You're making a short-term prediction. That's a huge difference. How Olymp Trade actually works? Let's understand the mechanics. Imagine you're looking at the price of gold. You believe the price will rise during the next minute. You choose the up option. You invest $10. Now the countdown begins. If the price is even slightly higher, when the timer reaches 0, you receive a fixed payout, usually somewhere between 70 and 90%. So your $10 might become $17 or $18. Sounds attractive, right? But here's the catch. If your prediction is wrong, even by the smallest possible price movement, you don't lose just a little. You lose your entire investment for that trade. 100%. That's why this system is called fixed time trading or FTT. In many countries, this is considered a form of binary options trading. Why many experts compare it to gambling? Let's be honest. Financial markets naturally move up and down every second. Trying to predict exactly where a price will be after just 1 minute is incredibly difficult. Even professional traders with years of experience struggle with short-term price movements. That's why many financial experts compare fixed-time trading to gambling, because success often depends more on short-term market fluctuations than long-term investing skills. Traditional investing focuses on owning valuable assets over months or years. Binary-style trading focuses on making rapid predictions within minutes or even seconds. The risk profile is completely different. Is Olymp Trade legal? This is where things become even more important. The answer depends on where you live. Olymp Trade says it operates under offshore financial regulators. These include authorities in places such as Vanuatu and Mauritius. However, it is not licensed by several of the world's strictest financial regulators, such as those overseeing retail securities and derivatives markets in countries like the United States or the United Kingdom. Because of this, the platform is unavailable, restricted, or subject to regulatory limitations in a number of major markets. Always check the laws and regulations that apply in your own country before opening or funding an account. What about India? If you're watching from India, pay close attention. The Reserve Bank of India has published an alert list that includes certain online forex trading platforms that are not authorized to offer electronic trading for residents under Indian regulations. Unauthorized retail forex or binary-style trading may violate Indian foreign exchange rules, depending on how it is conducted. This means traders should be extremely careful before depositing money into any platform that is not authorized under applicable Indian regulations. Many beginners don't realize this. They only discover the legal issues after they've already deposited funds. Always verify the regulatory status before trading. Can you really make money? Technically, yes. Some users do make profits. Some users also report successful withdrawals. That's true. But here's something equally important. For every successful trader, there are many others who lose money. The platform itself clearly states that trading involves significant risk. There are no guaranteed profits. If someone promises you easy money with zero risk, and that's a major warning sign, financial markets simply don't work that way. The most common user complaints. Let's look at some of the issues frequently reported by users on independent review platforms and app stores. One common complaint involves withdrawal delays. Some users say deposits are processed almost instantly, but when they try to withdraw profits, the process can take much longer than expected. Others report that additional identity verification is requested before withdrawals are completed. Another issue involves payment processing. Some users claim that money was deducted from their payment method, but did not immediately appear in their trading account. Resolving these cases sometimes requires contacting customer support and waiting for the payment to be reconciled. There are also complaints about inactive accounts. Some users say they were surprised by inactivity-related charges after leaving their accounts unused for a long period. This is why it's essential to read the platform's terms and conditions carefully before depositing funds. Who should avoid Olymp Trade? If you're completely new to investing, Olymp Trade is probably not the best place to start. If you're trying to build wealth for retirement, it's not the ideal choice. If your goal is steady long-term investing, there are safer alternatives. High-risk, short-term trading is not suitable for everyone, especially if losing your investment would create financial problems. What should beginners do instead? If you're interested in learning technical analysis or simply want to understand how markets move, start with a demo account. Practice without risking real money. Learn how charts work. Understand support and resistance. Study risk management. Build experience before even thinking about trading with real funds. And if your objective is long-term financial growth, consider regulated investment options that are legally available in your country, such as licensed stockbrokers or mutual fund platforms. Long-term investing may not be exciting, but historically, patience has often rewarded disciplined investors far more consistently than high-risk speculation. Final verdict. So, is Olymp Trade fake? No. It is a real platform with working software, live charts, and an active user base. Is it automatically a scam? Not necessarily. Some users report successful trading experiences and withdrawals. However, that does not make it a safe investment platform for everyone. Its offshore regulatory structure, the high-risk nature of fixed-time trading, and the possibility of losing an entire trade within minutes mean that users should approach it with extreme caution before investing any real money. Understand the risks. Check the legal status in your country. Never trade with money you cannot afford to lose. And remember, the goal isn't to get rich overnight. The goal is to make smart financial decisions that protect your future. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who is thinking about using Olymp Trade. Have you ever tried the platform? Share your experience in the comments below. And if you want more honest videos about trading platforms, investing, personal finance, and online money topics, subscribe to BNR Universe and turn on notifications so you never miss our next video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Disclaimer. This video is for educational and informational purposes only and should not be considered financial, investment, or legal advice. Trading and investing involve risk, including the possible loss of your capital. Regulations vary by country, so always verify local laws and use only licensed financial service providers where applicable.